Morris, CTO at T1V, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and I'm going to be talking about some new features that we're bringing to ThinkHub, mostly around AI. Now we're doing other things, but the part I'm going to be talking about is AI. We're bringing AI into ThinkHub. Now, a lot of people use ThinkHub for meetings, and one of the things that we realize is if you're going to use AI in ThinkHub, first we got to implement voice. So I'm going to demo ThinkHub voice here for you real quickly. And the way we're doing it here in the show, just because it's so loud, I got a headset on, I got a button that you click to initiate the voice. Normally you would just say something like, hey ThinkHub, open a web browser. But I'll show that. I can open a web browser. I can do that, and then it'll pop it up on the screen. There's the web browser. I could say, open a whiteboard. It'll open a whiteboard. You can basically give it any commands: close the session, start a Zoom call, start a Teams call, clear the canvas, these kind of things. Now, the other things that we do is once you have this content up here, you can actually bring a piece of content up and you can initiate commands on a piece of content too. For example, right here I can say, describe this image. And it's going to analyze the image, send it to an AI processing thing, and then it comes back and says, this is a Ferrari, the car painted with a vibrant red, emphasizes sporty look. Anyway, so it could do that. You can have it do edits on the photo just by giving it a voice command. All of these things that you would expect. So it makes it really easy for you to use voice to, one, just control the canvas, control your meeting, but also give it actual AI instructions to create content for you, to search for content. For example, use a browser to search for pictures of Las Vegas. And it should do the search. It should bring the browser up and do the search. And there it goes. Some pictures of Las Vegas. You can see all those in there. Now, in addition to that, it can also transcribe your entire meeting and automatically live while you're in the meeting pick out decision points, pick out action items, and document those on the canvas for people in the meeting. But of course, this is going to be very powerful, bringing all of the AI features that you think about that are out there. They're just instantly available in ThinkHub, just using voice. So again, I'm Jim at T1V. Thanks for watching our video. You can check out information about our company at www.t1v.com. Thanks.